Oh my God.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. It is requested your good self, everybody, all of you, that keep your video switch on. Keep your video switch on, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay. Harsh Kumar, keep your video switch on. Shyamraj, Rishu Kumar, Rishu, switch on your video. Rishu, switch on your video. Everybody, keep your video switch on. Switch on your video.
कर रहे सर, कर रहे।
हाँ, वैभव कुमार, ऋषि रंजन, okay. आकांक्षा कुमारी, शुभम प्रकाश, रागनी प्रिया, keep your video switch on.
Yes, sir.
Reshu Singh, your video should be switch on until unless it is advised. You will keep your video switch on. So I will start my class by 10:35. Till then, I will allow the students to join the class. Until then, you have to keep your video switch on.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Sushant Tene, keep your video switch on. Sushant, Ankit. Okay. Now it is 10:35 and I am going to log the meeting. Nobody will be allowed after this now. Non-entries, no one else can join. And all of you keep your video switch on. Let me take attendance. Keep your video switch on, everybody. All of you. All of you keep your video switch on. Pranav Verma 10B. Keep your video switch on.
Yes.
I cannot see your video on over my mobile. Pranav Verma. Okay.
I think the connection is unstable.
Okay. Shubham Prakash 10B.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On है sir.
Okay. Harsh Kumar 10B. Harsh Kumar 10B. Harsh Kumar 10B, where you are? Where you are?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ankit Ranjan. Ankit Ranjan 10B.
Yes, sir.
Where you are?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unmute your video. Archit. Nandani. Nimisha. Nimisha. Okay, finally. Thank you. Now let's start our class. One student. Now let's start our class. Welcome to all of you. I welcome to all of you in my first session of your class 10. All of you have got promoted from 9 to 10. Congratulations to all of you. Let's start our class. First, let me introduce about the IT subject at the class 9. You will be having two things to study. First is the employability skill, and second thing is the core concept about the IT. First is the employability skill, second is the core concept about the IT. Under employability, you will be informed, you will be taught about such of the skills which make the employee wanted, desirable, preferred in any organization. Okay, so this we will learn about the employability skill, and its weightage is of 10 marks. Okay, its weightage is of 10 marks in your examination. Okay, so under the part of the employability skill, today I will start the communication skill, and I hope you will find it very interesting. You will interact. You will keep yourself in the interacting mode. Okay, whenever you will be feeling any problem, you will be raising your hand through the apps. Okay, so let's start the topic. Okay, let's start the topic, and let's see. I hope the screen is visible to you. Employability skill. Under employability skill, we will be learning about communication skill 2, and the communication skill 1 we have studied at the 9th class. Okay, we have studied at the 9th class. Okay, so we will study the communication skill part 2. Okay, this is the communication skill part 2. Okay, IT vocational 4.0 for class 10 CBSE. I hope you are well acquainted with this. Now let's move. Okay, now employability skill. What makes us employable? Employability skill. Now, what is a skill? We will let's learn employability skill. There are the two words. Before I will show you the video at the last. Okay, I will show you a video at the last that will more give you idea about the skill. I will show you a PowerPoint presentation in the last. Okay, that will give you more idea about the skill and attitude. skill and attitude are the two things. Okay, skill is one different thing and attitude it is different thing. Now skill, what you possess, which can be seen in you, which can be noticed by you, by the any other person, which can be noticed by other person, this is called skill. And which cannot be noticed by the other person, that is within you, this is called attitude. This is called attitude. Sometimes we often use the word that he shows too much attitude, he shows too much attitude, he or she shows too much attitude. The attitude is taken as a negative. Here the attitude has been taken as a negative. But what is difference between the skill and the attitude? Attitude means the attitude may be the positive, attitude may be the negative. But what we talk that he is showing at his attitude, she is showing her attitude. This is we are taking attitude in the negative. So CBSE has focused more. This is the general topic. It is not to be studied only by you. It is a general topic. It is a social topic. That skill and attitude is a general topic, social topic. It is not limited only to the academic, or it is not only limited to the vocational. All of us possess some skill. I possess my skill that I can teach you. This is my skill. I speak well. This is my skill. You sing well. This is your skill. You make a drawing well. This is your skill. You are good in dancing. This dance. It is your skill. Right? There may be a different type of skill, and the skills are visualized. Skill, it can be noticed. Right? I can see your skill. I can see your skill. I can notice your skill. This is called skill. Skill can be visualized. Skill can be seen. Skill can be noticed. But attitude, what I told about the attitude cannot be visualized. Attitude cannot be visualized. They need detection. वो देखने का चीज है, वो समझने का चीज है, किसी के ऊपर अंदर में कैसा एटीट्यूड है, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड है, ये समझने का चीज है, सोचने का चीज है, ये फील करने का चीज है. ठीक है, तो एटीट्यूड एंड स्किल, दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट पार्ट. ठीक है, एटीट्यूड एंड स्किल, दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट पार्ट. ओके, skills skill is an art. It is an art. It is the way how you perform your work. Now let me take skill. Now what is the use of the skill? Skill make our work easier. Skill make our work easier. Skill gave us the edge how to do our work. Skill make our work easier. Let me take you. I have often taught you in the class 9. I have taught you in the class 9 information technology. I have taught you what is technology. So skill and technology both are interrelated. Technology doesn't mean a big machine. Technology doesn't mean that we are talking about a big machine. Technology, even a small technique, it is the advanced stage. I have taught you in the class 9. I think the student of class 9A, they must notice advanced stage of tricks and technique. Advanced stage of tricks and technique. This is called technology. So skills and technique, skill and technique, both are correlated, both are interrelated. It make our work easier. It help us in doing our complex work. It help us in making our work easier. Right? I hope you have understood the term skill. Anybody of you, if you would have problem, you can raise your hand. Oh, if you have any problem, I have unmuted all of you. You can talk to me if you have any problem in understanding the skill. Now, all of you, I have unmuted all of you, and you will tell me, you will let me know about your own skill. You will let me know, everybody, all of you. I have unmuted all of you. You will let me know about your skill. What skill? Shubham Prakash, what are you doing? Your video is okay. It is a display picture. Now, you will tell me about your own skill. What skill do you possess? Everybody of you. हर आदमी के पास में अपना स्किल होता है. यही बात तो बताया गया था ना, वो कौन सा मूवी था, तारे जमी पर. हर के अंदर में कुछ ना कुछ कला होता है, कुछ ना कुछ स्किल होता है. We will be talking about the employability skill. हम अपने employability skill के बारे में बात करेंगे. अभी हम लोग देखते हैं. Few of you tell me what skill do you possess? What skill do you possess? You let me know. चलो बताओ कुछ लोग. Raise your hand or you tell me. Okay, I am muting all of you first because surrounding noise is coming. Okay, Smriti, you tell me what skill do you possess? Smriti, you unmute yourself and tell that what skill do you possess?
Yes,
Smriti,
sir.
you tell me what skill do you possess?
Sir, calligraphy.
Calligraphy means your handwriting is very beautiful. This is your skill. You can write well. Definitely it is a skill. Okay, mute yourself. Kashish Priya, you tell me which skill do you possess? तुम्हारा कौन सा skill है? Which skill do you possess? Kashish Priya. Keshav Kumar, sorry, Keshav Kumar. Unmute yourself. Keshav Kumar
Yes,
Sharma. You tell me what
Yes,
skill
sir.
do you possess?
Drawing and painting, sir.
You are well in drawing and painting. This
Painting.
is your skill. Okay.
Yes,
Next, Palve Priya 10A. Now, what skill do you possess? Palve Priya. Palve Priya.
Reading.
Huh? Tell me.
Reading.
Okay. Ragini Priya.
Yes, sir.
What skill do you possess?
Reading stories, paintings, writing poems.
नहीं, एक और स्किल तुम्हारे पास है जो हम लोग ऑब्जर्व किए हैं. I have told you that skill are observable. स्किल जो तुम्हारे अंदर में है वो दूसरे को दिखता है. तो रागिनी प्रिया के अंदर में एक बहुत ही अच्छी स्किल है जिसको हम लोग स्कूल में ऑब्जर्व किए हैं. That she speaks well. One day she has spoken well in the assembly on Hindi writer or something. She has spoken well. So she is well in spoken. She can deliver speech well. This is her skill, right? So I have observed it. What I told, skills are observable. Skill observable होता है. ये दूसरे कोई तुमको देख सकते हैं. ये दूसरा कोई तुम्हारे नोटिस कर सकता है. ठीक है? तो this is the skill. Next Pranav Verma. Pranav Verma, unmute yourself. Pranav Verma.
Sir, I think I have drawing skills.
You have drawing skills. So you draw well. And what are the other skills which you possess?
Yes, sir.
What are the other skills which you possess?
Sir, reading.
Okay, reading is an habit. It is not an skill. It is an habit. Okay, it is habit. Okay, it is habit. आदत होता है. Addicted. You are addicted of reading. It is habit. It is not a skill. Okay, you can say that I can write well. I can compose well. This is the skill. Okay. Next, Rasmi Rani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope now let's come to the topic, and I mute all of you, and let's come to the topic. Now I hope you all have understood what I am talking about. Skills and attitude. Skills वो दिखता है, जो आपके अंदर है वो दिख रहा है. ठीक है, वो जो आपके अंदर में है, जो क्षमता तुम्हारे अंदर में है, जो एलिजिबिलिटी तुम्हारे अंदर में है, वो दिख रहा है, तुम्हारे काम को आसान बना रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्किल. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्किल. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? स्किल कहते हैं. तुम्हारे काम को आसान बना रहा है, दिख रहा है. ठीक है, ये इसको हम स्किल कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एटीट्यूड. एटीट्यूड इट इज द इनर कोर जिसको दिख नहीं रहा है. ठीक है, हम बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, देखने में हम बहुत सुंदर हैं. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा मीठा बोलते हैं, मगर अंदर से हम उतने ही आई एम नॉट गुड. फ्रॉम इनर आई एम नॉट गुड. हम बोलते अच्छा हैं मगर पीछे में टंगड़ी भींच देते हैं. व्हाट वी कॉल, आई एम इन हैबिट ऑफ लेग पुलिंग. सो दिस इज माय एटीट्यूड. दिस इज माय नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड. आई स्पीक हार्श. मैं कड़ा बोलता हूँ, बट इनर कोर फ्रॉम इंटरनली आई एम सॉफ्ट. ये दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. दैट इंटरनली आई एम सॉफ्ट. राइट, इट इज नॉट विजिबल. यू विल हैव टू नोटिस. कहीं पर तुम देखोगे कि सर जो है ही इज वेरी रूड इन स्पीकिंग, इज वेरी हार्श, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही इज वेरी सॉफ्ट हार्टेड. कैसे? हाउ यू विल से नो he is very harsh, he is very rude, he is very harsh and he is very rude. How you can show that he is very soft hearted? No, he is not soft hearted. तो ऊपर से दिखाई देने में लगता है कि एकदम चांडाल सा व्यक्ति है. कैसा है? ऐसा बोलता है, वैसा बोलता नहीं. ऊपर से देखने में ऐसा. So one will say that no, he is very soft-hearted. I have seen that at the same place he was helping the poor person, and he was cooperating one person who met with the accident. Oh, definitely he must be having the soft core or the soft heart then only. So this is the attitude which is not visualized. which need the visualization, जिसको देखना परखना और समझना पड़ता है, उसको हम एटीट्यूड कहते हैं। उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एटीट्यूड कहते हैं। तुम्हारे किताब में स्किल पढ़ाने के लिए दिया है, एटीट्यूड पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं दिया है। जैसे सच को पढ़ाने के लिए झूठ के बारे में थोड़ा बताना जरूरी है, उसी तरीके से स्किल को पढ़ाने के लिए थोड़ा सा एटीट्यूड के बारे में भी बताना जरूरी है। ठीक है, एटीट्यूड को परखना पड़ता है और स्किल खुद ब खुद दिख जाता है। ठीक है, स्किल इज विजुअलाइज्ड, स्किल खुद ब खुद दिखता है और एटीट्यूड को परखना पड़ता है। ठीक है, स्मृति देखने में बहुत अच्छी है, सबको ये पाई है, देखने में बहुत अच्छी है, बोलती बहुत अच्छा है, नहीं मतलब फ्रॉम द बैक पुल द लेग, ऐसा पता चला है कैसे? हाउ यू विल से? नो आई हैव ऑब्जर्व, ओ उसके बारे में ऐसा। एटीट्यूड नीड्स वेरिफिकेशन, एटीट्यूड नीड्स वेरिफिकेशन, और स्किल तो खुद से दिख जाता है। जैसे हमने भी बताया कि रागिनी प्रिया को एक दिन मैंने देखा, वन डे आई हैव नोटिस दैट शी इज वेल इन spoken. Now let's come to the topic. I hope you have understood the skill. Now come to the topic. Employability skill. Why it makes us employable? Employability skill is an umbrella term. And now let's come to the wait 1 minute, log the taskbar. Employability skill is an umbrella term. It is used for highly desirable, transferable skill that turn you to the very attractive candidate. They can be defined as a set of skill that is required to make you a very outstanding employee. ठीक है, that make now employability skill. I told you skill which possess. अब अगर हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, अगर हम somebody is hiring me, अगर कोई भी any employer is hiring me, okay, hiring me of the self, he wants that I should make his or her work easy. So definitely this is the desirable. This is desirable by the employee, that he employee desire that I should possess some skill, I should make the work of my employer easy. This is the desired. ये desire होता है, इच्छा होता है हर एम्प्लॉय का कि हमारा जो हम किसी को अगर पैसे दे रहे हैं तो मेरा काम को वो आसान करे। ओके, प्रणव वर्मा, wait 1 minute, I will unmute you. You okay? Unmuted Pranav Verma, tell me what happened.
Sir, what is the meaning of umbrella term?
Umbrella term here, umbrella term, it is a protected term, it is a protective term, it is a used term, it is a used term, okay, it is a used term, okay. So definitely now the employability skill, the definition of employability skill, it is which makes you a best employee, which make you a best employee, which make you a demanding employee, that all of many employers are demanding, which make you a preferred, which make you a very hot cake employee, that we say hot cake employee. हम कहते हैं ना कि जो उसको सब कोई खोज रहा है, वैसा एम्प्लॉय हर कोई खोजता है, ठीक है। इट इज एन अम्ब्रेला टर्म, ओके। वेट 1 minute संस्कृति, ओके, लेट मी सी। Okay, Sanskriti, unmute yourself. Tell me what problem you are facing.
Sir,
Have
sir,
no
what is the
bother.
difference between a skill and talent?
Skill and
Talent difference.
yes, there is a difference between the skill and talent. Talent is the modified. When skill is modified, now I teach well. I have the ability. When skill is mixed with the some of the professional quality, professional qualification, professional knowledge, then this is called talent. I can deliver well. हम बहुत अच्छा बोल सकते हैं। लालू यादव, the ex-CM, he deliver well, but उनको बोलना आता ही नहीं है, टैलेंट है ही नहीं उनके अंदर में, मेरिट नहीं है उनके अंदर में, ठीक है। तो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल, the employability, these are the skill which make an employee very attractive, very demanding, very understanding. Okay, so this is employability skill. I hope all of you have understood it. Next, now employers have identified 8 employability skills. Okay, 8 employability skills: communication, teamwork, self-management, learning skill, problem solving, technology, planning and organizing, initiative, and enterprises. Okay, so out of this we will learn communication. These are the some of the skill identified by the employer. Okay, these are the some of the, I'm saying these are the some of the skill which has been identified. I'm saying some of the skill. Okay, this is not all, this is some of the skill which has been identified by the employer. Okay, this is communication skill, teamwork, self-management, learning skill, problem solving, technology, planning and organizing, initiative and enterprise. These are the some of the skills which has been noticed by the employer. Apart from this, there may be the many skills. There may be. So your first question may be identify the other skills. This will be your question. You will do at your home. Identify the other skills, other employability skills. Okay, apart from this, now which we will be learning in our curriculum is the communication skill. These communication skill, self-management skill, basic ICT skill, entrepreneur skill, green skill. These skills we will be learning in our curriculum. I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. And next we will move. Communication skill. Next come to the word communication skill. Okay, what is communication? Right. Oh, what is communication skill? Communication it is a Latin word which has came from the word that is called communicare. This has came from the word communicare and means share. You can share. तो हिंदी में हम लोग कहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन को संप्रेषण. ठीक है, एक मिनट रानी वेट. एंड हम लोग कहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स हिंदी में हम लोग संप्रेषण कहते हैं, या हम लोग हिंदी में हम लोग पढ़े होंगे. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द मीन्स बाय विच वी एक्सप्रेस आवर फीलिंग. ठीक है, वी एक्सप्रेस आवर feeling. My feeling is that केशव कुमार शर्मा, he is not identified by me. इतने देर देखने के बाद अभी हमको समझ में आया कि ये वही केशव कुमार शर्मा है. शुरू में तो हमको कुछ लग रहा था. I was thinking that this is some of the girl who had changed his or her name. But now I come to know that this is the Keshav Sharma whom I have taught in class 8G or 8F, whatever the section it was. Okay, this is my feeling. Now how I have put my feeling? I have put my feeling by oral. Okay, the communication comes from the word communicare, which means share. The communication, it is the ability to share. It is sharing. ठीक है, तो you can share the sharing of information between two or more individuals or within a group to reach a common understanding. Communication, it allows us, it helps us to express our need, it to want our feelings and etc. Okay, so this is what it is about the communication. अब हिंदी में अगर हम बोलते हैं, in Hindi we will say it is the communication is an art. It is an skill by the means we express our feelings. We express our feelings either in the. Now how do we express our feeling? We express our feeling. This is how I am expressing. I am expressing my feeling. This is expression. This is, so I am communicating with you. I am communicating. So communication means by which we express our feeling. Okay, I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood the communication. And somebody has raised the hand. Let me take care of them also. Okay, Rani, unmuted. Tell me.
Sir, are all the 8 employability skills are required to be a good candidate?
Not only 8, more than that also. Even only, no. You can be the good candidate in the eyes of your employer by possessing only one skill also. हम लोग देखते नहीं हैं, एम्प्लॉयर के नजर में एक अच्छा एम्प्लॉय बनने के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि आप में वो 8 स्किल रहे या 10 स्किल रहे या 20 स्किल रहे, कोई एक स्किल को अडॉप्ट करके भी आप अच्छे एम्प्लॉय बन सकते हैं, ठीक है। बाय द मीन्स ऑफ द सिंगल स्किल आल्सो यू कैन आल्सो बी अ गुड एम्प्लॉय इन द आईज ऑफ योर एम्प्लॉयर। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट, रानी।
Sir, can we say that communication and conversation are both interrelated terms?
Yeah, definitely communication, and now conversation happens between two or more than within
Yes,
a group
sir.
of people. That I will come. Okay, I have the materials. Okay, you mute yourself and lower your hand. Okay, only 10 minutes are left for the today's class, and we will I will have to move something for next. 7 minutes 36 seconds only left. If you can wish, you can join me in the evening also, and I will give you, because only one day in the class it is not sufficient. You can join me in the evening also. Now, method of communication, the term has came. Now see how communication happens. Communication happens between face-to-face communication. Communication can take place with the help of email. Communication can take with the help of notice and poster. Communication can take place by the help of business meeting. Communication, there are other methods, like there can be a various other methods like social network. Communication can take place with the help of social media, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Communication can take place with the help of message, or with the help of WhatsApp, or with the help of communication, or with help of newsletter, with help of blogs. By these means, communication can take place. Okay, there can be any other means. Okay, communication. Now, face-to-face communication. Face-to-face communication. When I were talking, this is an example of face-to-face communication from employee to the employer. This is using email communication, notice and poster. Okay, notice and poster. Business meeting when more than employee and employer, they are sitting and they are doing the business meeting. Next, the choosing the right. Now I have told you that different methods, different way of communication. Now how you will choose? How will you choose right method of communication? Communication का तो बहुत सारा तरीका है. हम बताएं कि chatting भी एक तो chatting, when you are chatting in a group, this is also a communication. Video conferencing, this is also a mode of communication. I and you are communicating, this is also a mode of communication. Now how to choose the right method of communication? हम तो तुमको पोस्टर से भी पढ़ा सकते थे ना. हम पावर पॉइंट का प्रेजेंटेशन जो बनाए वो हम तुमको दे देंगे, तुम उससे पढ़ लोगे. नहीं हो पाएगा. right concept of communication comes here. So how you should always, अब मान लो हमको ये प्रणव से बात करना है, प्रणव से सिर्फ बात करना है, तो हम क्या है कि हम माइक लगाकर और हम व्हाट्सएप पर लिख के बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, प्रणव से हमको बात करना है और हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, नो, this is not the right way of communication. When I need to talk with the Pranav, I will message to the Pranav, or when I want to talk to the Pranav along with the other 10 students of his class, then I will talk using the WhatsApp group. Okay, so now what it is needed, choose the right method of communication depend upon the target audience. Now which type of audience you have, you need to decide that which type of communication you will choose. The types of communication depend upon the audience. Now what is the budget? Okay, what is the budget? Kind of information, which type of information you want to share, whether you want to share personal information, whether you want to share personal information, or you want to share some confidential information, or you want to share some other type of information. So the types of selection of communication depend upon the types of information, and then it depend upon the urgency and priority. अगर हमको बहुत urgent information communicate करना है, if I need to communicate some urgent information and I will put on my Twitter account, and when you will log on to the Twitter account and you will see my information, तब तक तो बहुत देर हो चुका होगा. पहले भी बताए हैं कि पैसा, खून और सूचना में एक ही समानता है, इस समय पर मिलना चाहिए. अगर पैसा समय पर नहीं मिला, लॉकडाउन की अवधि में अगर अभी हम लोग को पैसा नहीं मिला तो हम लोग मर जाएंगे. ठीक है, अभी पैसा का जरूरत है, अगर अभी पैसा नहीं मिलेगा तो हम लोग जो है मर जाएंगे. फिर जो है पैसा 3 महीना 4 महीना के बाद हमको मिलकर क्या होगा. अभी जरूरत है पैसा, खून, ब्लड. मान लो ब्लड का रिक्वायरमेंट है और हम 2 दिन के बाद दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, तीसरा पैसा, खून और इंफॉर्मेशन, तीनों में एक ही समानता है कि अर्जेंसी, priority, timeliness, it should be available on time, it should be available on time, okay, or urgency, okay. So these are the, now there are the different types of communication: visual communication, auditory communication, kinesthetic communication, visual communication, and auditory communication. Then we have the other term, communication can be carried out by auditory means. Paralanguages, what are paralanguages? The way in which you say the word. Paralanguage का मतलब आप किस तरीके से आप बात कर रहे हैं, बात करने का, कम्युनिकेशन करने का पीच क्या है, ठीक है, पीच क्या है, टोन क्या है, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, हम बोल रहे हैं और हमारा चेहरे से पोलाइटनेस नहीं झलक रहा है, पोलाइटनेस या हार्ड, अगर हम कोई बहुत, जैसे पान पसंद का एक एडवर्टीजमेंट था ना कि मम्मी जो है वो बच्चे को डांटती है, ठीक है, वो बहुत टेंशन में है, वो कह रही है पापा को आने दो, अभी तुमको हम डांट सुनाएंगे। फिर उसके बाद बच्चा जो है ऐसे पॉकेट से निकाल कर अपने मम्मी को जो है वो पान पसंद देता है, मम्मी ऐसे पान पसंद खाती है, ऐसे पापा को आने दो, अभी तुमको हम डांट सुनाएंगे। This is paralanguages. The way in which you say the word, the volume, the pitch, the speaking rate, the voice quality, all comes under the paralanguages. Then now types of communication. We have the different types of communication: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, visual communication, and the written communication. We have different types of communication that we will see in our next slides. Okay, that we will see in our next slide. I hope only less than 2 minutes is left. If you have any problem, you can let me. I have unmuted all of you one by one. You can say one by one. You can say. Please join class on the time. ठीक है, थोड़ा समय से ज्वाइन कर जाओ, 5 मिनट का समय तुम लोग खा जाते हो, ठीक है, ज्वाइन ऑन द टाइम। और फिर अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप। इफ यू वांट एडिशनल क्लास, हम संडे को भी पढ़ा दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि टॉपिक ज़्यादा है। सिर्फ अगर हम बोल कर अगर चले जाएं तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, समझाना पड़ता है, समझाने में थोड़ा समय लगेगा। इफ यू वांट यू कैन ज्वाइन मी ऑन द संडे विद द प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन, यू डिसाइड अमंग योरसेल्फ। इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी यू कैन फिक्स योर टाइम एंड इन्फॉर्म मी, ओके। और ठीक है, आई होप इट इज समझ में सबको आया, समझ में आया सबको?
यस सर।
सबको समझ में आया कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? ठीक है, कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में आज बताया और अगले दिन वो समाप्त हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इट विल बी कवर्ड अप इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।
सर प्री मिड में कंप्यूटर भी होगा, आईटी होगा?
हाँ होगा, कहीं नहीं होगा, पढ़ा देंगे।
अच्छा, तो उसका सिलेबस
अभी यही वाला चैप्टर रहेगा, कम्युनिकेशन रहेगा, ठीक है। यू डिसाइड योर टाइम, इफ यू विश यू कैन कंटिन्यू, यू कैन स्टडी लेटर ऑन ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ओनली वन डे इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, ठीक है। किसी तरीके से हम रीडिंग दे दें तो हो जाएगा, ठीक है। चलो, टिल देन आई थिंक ओनली लेस देन 1 minute. If you have any doubt, you can ask with me. Anybody of you? If you have any doubt, you can ask with me.